Hello, hi, it is me, Searbear. Welcome back to the channel if you're new here. Hello, it is me, Searbear. It is nice to meet you. Ding, 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 ding. We are back today with another, not Neopets cookbook recipe. No, I am here today with a new cookbook. Oh my gosh, what is it? I don't know. Oh yes, I do. It's the Stardew Valley cookbook. I was so excited for this cookbook. Oh my god, and it's finally out. It just came out on the 14th. I got really excited and I went to my local bookstore to make sure it was there because I googled it because I hate leaving my house. So I googled it, and so I found out that it was there, and we went to the store. And whenever we went there, oh my gosh, we went to the cookbook aisle and we were like both looking down there, and like we were like looking down the aisle and we didn't find it. And I'm like, okay, I'm not stressing because it said in store, and I don't want to have to ask an associate because I'd rather not. So we looked up and down the thing, and then I finally found it on the thing. I don't know, I didn't explain that very well. I've been so excited for this cookbook for so long, ever since they announced it. So I am moving on from the Neopets cookbook onto the Stardew Valley, and it's so cute! Look at it. Okay, let's take a moment to appreciate how cute it looks. Oh my god! Like, oh my god, that's so pretty. And it like feels really nice. Here's the back of it. Isn't it so cute? It has Gus. It's so cute. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm getting excited. And there's a little chicken. Look at this little chicken butt. And then there's a little tuna ball. Oh my god, it's so cute. Like, you can see a little tuna ball like right here. Oh my god, I cannot. It's so cute. But here's the spine. I think it looks so cute. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like this. So I've gone through it, and there's some really cool things that I really like. Something I didn't expect. The cookbook has it in seasons. So look in this, like look in the corner here. You see spring? Like it has all the seasons, dude. Oh my gosh. There's spring, there's summer, fall. Like, and you can tell, you can see where I've marked it, but you can kind of see with the pages, like the seasons as well. So I thought that was such a cute detail. Oh my god, I thought that was adorable. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited to go through it. But since this cookbook has each season, I thought it would be a really cute idea to do recipes in each season. So we're gonna like stick it to each season. That's how we're gonna start it off with. So I'm able to do at least 3 recipes in the spring, and then however many in the summer, and so on and so forth. Because it does get a little bit larger. And also, did you notice that this still came out in spring? And the 1.6 update happened on spring? So exciting, isn't it? Oh my god, I love Stardew Valley. I don't know if you can tell. Hold on, let me fact check myself real quick. The 1.6 update came out on the first day of spring. That's so cool. That is big brain moves. I love that. I love that so much. But with that being said, we have officially moved on to a new cookbook, and we're going to be starting off with the very first recipe in here. The complete breakfast. So we're going to be making the complete breakfast. It is set in spring. It is from the kitchen of the Queen of Sauce, and it's supposed to make 4 servings. Something that I'm noticing right off the bat is I'm used to how long it will take. I'm just hoping that it doesn't take so long, but there was so much together. This looks like a cookbook. The Neopets one was like more attuned for like, I don't know, kids probably. Yes, it is. And this, look at it. Oh my god, this is all of that. Like, hello Ginger. All of this is all of this is all for the ingredients. Here is what it looks like too. We're gonna be making the Hashbrowns, yogurt pancakes with salmon berry rhubarb compote, which I don't know what compote. I haven't heard of it before, but it looks like jam. I'm assuming it's what this is right here. But so it says Compote. It has a little queen's tip. And yeah, so we'll be making the hash browns, yogurt pancakes with salmonberry rhubarb compote, and some fried eggs. This is definitely going to be an upgrade from what I had been making before, which was like kind of weird looking unhinged thing. This is food. And then the next page is 2 whole pages. 2 whole pages of what I need to do. That's not intimidating. The training wheels were the Neopets cookbook. This is the real deal, baby. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, I'll see you guys whenever I have all the ingredients. So here are the ingredients. Wow. All right, so I couldn't find any rhubarb, but I found, this is the closest thing I found. Strawberry and rhubarb preserves. So, I mean, there's that. And so I got strawberries too. So we'll see how it goes. Let's go ahead and get started on making it. So it says to fit a rimmed baking sheet with a wire rack. I don't have a wire rack, but I did Google wire rack substitute and I saw somebody talk about aluminum foil. So I Googled that and I found a video to where I found this video. So I'm gonna do that.
A few moments later.
It said to get aluminum foil and fold it at 1/2 inch across the way. And I tried to do that. I think I f***ed it up. Like, I don't know, it just... I don't know, brother. Okay, so now we have to grate the potatoes on the large holes of the box grater. And we can transfer to a clean kitchen towel. Okay. I feel like that's about 1 pound. So now I'm supposed to grab these from the corners. Okay. Put it in a clean bowl. Oh my god, that's gross! Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Hold on, let me do a little bit better. So I'm supposed to squeeze this. Oh my god. Okay, so now we have to set this aside for 5 minutes. Add the shredded potatoes, the cornstarch, granulated garlic, onion powder, and several large grains of black pepper to the bowl. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good. Is it supposed to be pink? That is a covered bottom, baby. Yeah! Medium to high heat, let's go. Nope. Oh my god, look at it. Looking a little rough, but that's okay. Ooh, look at that one though. That one looks good. It looks a little burnt. Oh, alright, so here they are. They look, yeah. So we're gonna put those in the oven and like let those like stay warm. Okay, so the next step is supposed to be for the compote. I don't think I'm saying that word right. But it's telling me to make it, right? But there is a queen's tip. So we do have a queen's tip right over here. And it's if salmon berries and or rhubarb are out of season, or if you simply want to skip making the homemade fruit topping, you can substitute a tart fruit preserve in a place of compote. So I didn't find any rhubarb anyway, but that strawberry with the rhubarb, I think it'll be fine. So we have the preserve. So we're already on to the next step. So for the pancakes, I can do that. I can make pancakes. Okay, I feel like that's pretty whisked. Okay, this is a small bowl, so we're gonna have to make do. Damn, that looks pretty whisked, right? Look, dude, look at my whisk. I need a new one. It's okay. It still works. That looks pretty smooth to me. Or this. Let's do this. Bro, okay. I can do my dishes in 15 minutes. All right, I think that's fine, right? That looks a little lumpy, but not too lumpy. Wow, yogurt in batter is crazy to me. I think that's good. So now I'm gonna let it rest for 15 minutes. So I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. So it's been about 15 minutes. I need to let this go for a little bit longer, and we're on to letting it be. This is how it looks so far. So I don't think it looks too bad. Thank goodness. I got a little nervous, always nervous. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Here's how they look. All right, let's do our next batch. Okay. All right. Set number 3. Our last batch. Okay. All right. Yay! The pancakes are done. We're gonna continue to put them in the oven for now, but this is how they're looking. Wow. So we're gonna keep them warm. And now we're on to the final step. Jesus Christ, finally. All right, we are finally on to just the last bit, which is frying the eggs. Oh no, what is it called? The yolk broke. Oh, I now need to be careful. Nah! You know what? It's fine. Oh my god, no it's not. That one's intact. All right, we got 2. Oh god, that one's just really bad. Look at them! Oh my god, that looks good! Oh my gosh. And then here's that. And here's that one. Oh my gosh, look at them! They look so good! Now for the other eggs. Let's see if they don't break. Fingers crossed. Alright, right off the bat, we're starting off strong. See? I think this one might be bad. No way! Oh my god! Almost perfect. Almost. Right, I think that looks right enough. I think we're finally moving on to the plating portion. Look at that! Okay, you guys are not ready for how it turned out. Jump scare. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I added it to the side because I don't know how it tastes together yet, so I didn't want to do that. Here's the other one. I messed up the yolks when I was trying to get the eggs off after I stopped filming. This is what it looks like. It looks... It looks like a breakfast. The hash browns. I realized I didn't put enough baking powder into the hash brown portion, and I got it mixed up with the other one, so oopsies. But I also didn't realize that I was going to actually be spending several hours on this. I started getting ready for this. Like, I started getting, like, cooking like 4 hours ago. Yeah, it took me forever. I'm not gonna lie. 4 hours? Oh my god, I was wondering why I didn't have like a time, like how the Neopets one did, but also I'm not used to Cookbook, so I don't know if that's like an average thing. But yeah, it looks like they got pretty dried out, but that's okay. But now we're gonna try it. So I want to put it like with just this by itself. I like it. Now I'm gonna try it with a strawberry. Yeah, that's good. If you can get it. Okay. That's pretty good. All right, let's try the hash brown. Here's some more. Let's try the egg. Okay. It tastes like an egg that was fried. We got 2 of the 3. We're not 3 for 3, but we got 2 for 3, so I'll take it. We did our first Stardew Valley recipe. Ah! Oh my god! So now every single time I eat this in the game, I'm just gonna be like, wow, I made that and it tasted okay. It was really cold. I've never made like pancake mix with yogurt. I was very curious on that. I've also never made homemade hash browns. Can you tell? I like the strawberry mix. I think. But yay, we did it! We did our first recipe in the next cookbook. I am so happy with it. Well, okay, I'm not happy with it. I am glad that we did our first one. Did not expect for it to just take many hours. I'm really excited to see all the ones to try out for spring. If you also got the cookbook, what did you make so far? What is something that you're looking forward to? Do you guys also play Stardew Valley? I did recently upload a year 10 farm tour. I don't have any mods on my save because I didn't know that mods were a thing until like way later, and at that point I was already super attached to my farm to do anything about it, so here we are. But yeah, if you guys want to ever talk about Stardew Valley, I'll be more than happy to. I love it. Who do you marry in the game? But yeah, that was our whole attempt, our first attempt. I hope the other ones go better. I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. Would you guys try making this recipe? I mean, it is just a breakfast. Also, how in the heck? Okay, so in here it shows Alex, right? It shows Alex, and he's like, Grandma knows what's up. She makes me a complete breakfast every morning, which helps me on the grid ball field. What the heck is a grid ball? That's why I'm in such good shape. Now, Miss Evelyn, that took me so long. What time do you wake up in the morning? There's 3 people in your family, and you make that for 3 people? How long does it... How? I don't know. She wakes up every morning in time? Like, there's no way. Does she sleep? I have no idea. She is a cool granny then. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Supernova. Sorry. So I've already gotten stuff on here. Anyway. Okay, so we're gonna be making the complete breakfast. It is in the spring season. It is from the kitchen of the Queen of Sauce. Well, there's a fly, I'm gonna redo that.